y'all. Happy Tuesday. You know what time it is. Waiting on the trash truck before meet the teacher tonight. Still waiting. It's hot, but it's not as hot as it was last week. Woo! There it is. Pretty blue skies in the background. He might blow at us. You never know. Hey! Y'all, it is really amazing to have, well, he's not really a stranger. I don't know his name. But for him to acknowledge my son each time, you know, that's amazing. It really is. We got one more. Green for life, environmental. Up, 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 and away. All right. Woo! And back down we go. Woohoo! See you later. All right. A job well done, folks.